Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about how can virtual data rooms be utilized for secure collaboration in the manufacturing industry. Virtual data rooms VDRs can play a crucial role in enabling secure collaboration in the manufacturing industry. These platforms provide a secure and efficient way to manage, share, and collaborate on sensitive information, documents, and data. Here are some ways VDRs can be utilized for secure collaboration in the manufacturing industry. Secure document sharing manufacturers often deal with confidential information such as product design, intellectual property, and sensitive financial data. Videos provide a secure environment to share these documents with the authorized stakeholders, only preventing unauthorized access. Due diligence in mergers and acquisition (M&A) when manufacturers engage in M&A activities, they need to share sensitive information with the potential buyers or patrons. Videos facilitates due diligence by allowing control access to relevant documents and data for interested parties, maintaining confidentiality throughout the process. Supply collaboration manufacturers work closely with suppliers and subcontractors. VDRs enable seamless collaboration by providing a centralized platform to share specification agreements and other critical information securely. Project management for complex manufacturing process involving multiple teams or external partners. VDRs can serve as a central hub for project-related data communication and update. This streamlines collaboration and ensures everyone has access to the most up-to-date information. And regulatory compliance, the manufacturing industry is subject to various regulations that require strict control and protection sensitive data. Videos offer features like access control, audit trails, and encryption, which aid in meeting compliance requirements. Intellectual property protection. Videos help manufacturers safeguard their intellectual property by restricting access and tracking any actions taken with the information. This prevents unauthorized distribution or leaks of valuable designs and innovation.